Money Talks. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. We're doing it live from Hawaii. All right, all right. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Listen to the money. Come on, come on. All right, on the hourly chart right now, looking a little bearish. Below the VWAP, below those EMAs. Kind of stair-stepping down right now, lower high, lower high. Money Talks. We got the overnight low down here. We had a big sell-off last night. Asian markets really dumped there, and then London kind of followed pursuit here as well. So we got that low from the overnight, 22,830s, right? 22,830s. We're getting ready for the market open here, Friday, Fresh Cash Friday. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. It's Fresh Cash Friday. So we're getting ready here for a market open. So what's the plan? The plan right now, I would say, is as long as we're kind of below this pivot point, we're below that VWAP, I'd be looking for a short here at open to try to maybe take out this 850 area, and then the next level be in that 830s. That's just kind of what I see right now, but we'll find out. Tim Cook got fired. Someone said that. What? Nvidia still making new. Look at Nvidia still making new fucking highs. Like every day, I'm kind of like, do I take profit on Nvidia? You know, I'm long Nvidia right now. I've been long for like the last month, and I'm like every day I might do. What do I do? Oh, they're not making new highs right now. 163 right now. They're on Nvidia. Did Apple really? Did Tim Cook get fired? Apple? Did you fire Tim Cook? Market is upset with the tariff news. Seems like every day we got some kind of tariff news, something going on with the tariffs. Both the ES and the NASDAQ right now. So, see what happens. Should you buy 300K accounts or 650K accounts? Well, I was actually kind of thinking about that the other day. I'm like, maybe you actually are better off buying the 50K accounts. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think, chat? On Funding Ticks. By the way, this is the last and final. I think next Monday will be the last day to get 35% off with Funding Ticks. Funding Ticks. 100K and 450Ks. It's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, so I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes living in the, you know where. Is Funding Ticks similar to Take Profit? They are, but they don't have, their funded account does not have a trailing drawdown. So no trailing drawdown on the funded account, whereas Take Profit Trader has the trailing drawdown on the Pro account. Not the Pro Plus, but the Pro account. So there are a couple different differences. There's a couple differences, but we're going to see. We're going to see what happens here today. Getting ready. Market open. We're below the VWAP right now. We got that pivot point there. I got a big... I put up some money yesterday. I put up some money. Today's Fresh Cash Friday. I'm trying to win some money, right? You know what I mean? But we entered a fishing tournament. Right now, I am 28,000. I actually put another 15,000 in last night, so I've got about $43,000 on the line. $43,000 for this fishing tournament for the chance to win 300,000. So it's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. We got to make that. Got to spend that money. Spend that money. What is the consistency rule on funding ticks? 25%. 25%. Tallahassee, check your email. Check your email, bro. Your spam and all that. Make a video about the fishing tournament and the after result. Ugh. It's never fun to make a video after you lose, though. If I lose, it's not fun. Not fun to make a video about it. All right, like I said, kind of, this is what I'd be looking for at open. Keep an eye on that bigger time frame, right? That 15-minute chart. If we get above the VWAP, get above that 920 area or so, there is a very good chance that we could fill the gap here. It is Friday. If we look on the weekly chart, right now, that candle looking a little indecisive. The last 2 weeks has been green, green, green. Kind of could pull back here, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I don't like to speculate. I like to just be ready for everything. So that's kind of how I'm gonna play it. Just like that. If we get above the VWAP here, I'm looking for a long. If we get denied the VWAP and we break to the downside, I'm looking for a short. But do you like to percolate? Oh, I love to percolate. Woo, get me excited talking about percolating. He's percolating. Percolating. Have an emergency flight ready. Hawaii's gonna blow. Why do you say that? Because the volcano? All right. Getting closer and closer to open here. We got 3 minutes right now. The NASDAQ just kind of going sideways. I made a little bit of money last night. Traded on my phone while I was in the hot tub. You know, who does it like that? Hot tub money machine. We got this guy right here. He's up big trading with the BDH. Look at that. He's up 14,000 trading with the BDH. Look at I'm in the hot tub last night. There's me in the hot tub, and I made $1,000. I made $1,000 while in the hot tub. You invest in a Roth IRA for your long-term holdings? I have 3 long-term holding accounts. I have a cash balance account. I've got a 401k, and then I've got just my long-term investment account. What happened to the prop firm that we shall not name account? I blew it up. I'm over it. I left. I'm done. I don't want my name on their leaderboard anymore. I don't want them using my name as marketing anymore. When you were trading your Apex account, what was your strategy? Buy low, sell high, baby. Buy low, sell high. I know, my code always works because it's the biggest code. Why would they? I had the biggest code there. They're not going to delete the #1 trader's code. All right, NASDAQ holding up here, 15-minute chart. Like I said, if we get above this VWAP and we can kind of put in a bull flag, right? We want a little like push, a little pullback, and then maybe we get up there towards yesterday's close, that 23,000 area. It is Fresh Cash Friday, baby. We got 30 seconds left. Oh my God. Let's see what happens here at open. Like I said, just kind of trade momentum here. If it goes up, we go up. If it goes down, we go down. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. Know what I mean? Know what I mean. Here we go. Market about to open. Right there at the VWAP now. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Right there at the VWAP now. Okay. Breaking out to the upside here. Look at that. Straight to the moon right now. All right. All right. Okay. Slow down, NASDAQ. Slow down. Come back. Let's get this pullback here. Wait for a bull flag setup. Oh, God. Come on. Don't. No, NASDAQ. No. 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 Are you kidding me? I'm not going to do what I did yesterday. Just get long, but I mean, maybe I should have. God fucking damn it. Isn't that amazing? Like yesterday we got long right at open and it crashed straight down. And then today it's like you don't get long and it goes straight up. You know, it's what the fuck? What the fuck, Jimmy? What the fuck, Jimmy? What the fuck, Jimmy? All right, I'm kind of looking to see like if we get pullback here. I'm trying to maybe get filled here at like the 30s. Did it. 25. I'm putting him at 25 for a fill. Do. Just holding on there now. 940 is holding up. I'm gonna try a long right here and see if we can't make a new high. Maybe add into this as well, but it might just go straight up. And I don't want to miss out on the fucking gravy train, boys. The fucking gravy train here. We can size into this a little bit. We're gonna size into it. Yeah, there you go. Pull back a little bit more. FOMO. The FOMO. Looking for like another fill down here. In this 35. There was my original entry kind of that I wanted. I'm going to add right there. We're above the VWAP here, so as long as you stay above the VWAP, I'm staying long. But if we lose the VWAP, then I'll get out. Stops are in place as well. Right there at the VWAP now, we need to bounce. Need to bounce. I'm not worried. I'm not worried, you are. Oh God. All right, we're holding up there right above the VWAP right now. I am long. Kind of want to see if we bounce here off the VWAP nicely. Got to hold that VWAP level here. Got our 15-minute range setting up here as well. Still right there at the VWAP, so see if we can hold it. Can we hold it? ES got stuck at that pivot point, the 6,295 level, but we're right there at the VWAP. We got the VWAP as support. We got the VWAP as support here, so pray to the gods of the VWAP. We're praying to the gods of the VWAP here. All right, I'm gonna move my stop like right below the low of these candles. Just to minimize my risk. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Shave my belly? Why are you looking at my belly, bro? Don't look at my belly. It's right there. We might get stopped. And oh God, we're stopped. Needed to push right through there. We did not push. If we get back above 940s, I'll look to get long there again, but just gonna kind of keep my risk a little lower there on that trade for now. We're right there at the VWAP still. ES pulled back there as well. NASDAQ back to the EMAs, back to the VWAP. Watching if we get above this like 930 area again for another long attempt. Still holding up there. Right there at the VWAP for now. But it looks like we could. I hate when the market does this shit. Like we broke out of that fucking triangle and then came right back into it. So just being silly. You can see why I got stopped out there. It is what it is. It is what it is. We'll take it for now. We're not even a big deal. Not even a big deal. So patience, my friends, patience. Market turning back down real quick here. Down there to the 900s again. They trapped all those longs up there, didn't they? They trapped them all. Why'd they trap everybody? That's fucked up. All right, now that we're below the 900s, I wonder if we'll start to sell off here again. If we lose that 900 support, it could start to move down really quickly to the downside there. You know? What do you think? Right now, just dumping down there. Holding up at the bottom of that trend line again. Dumping 870s. Just a big old fake out there right now. Bear flag kind of played out there on the 1 minute chart, huh? A little bear flag below the VWAP there. Wink to the downside. 885s now. We're right there at that trend line, though. Right there at the trend line. Bear, did I say bear fag? I mean bear flag. Not the bear fag. Those bear, you gotta watch out for them bear fags. Be careful. Be careful of them bear fags. I mean bear flags. Bear flags. If you won the course yesterday, you should get an email. Check your spam on thepropfirms.com. We get 1,000 likes here on the stream. We'll do a giveaway today. Still making new lows right now. Should start to sell through this. I think that this low here, 50s and then 30s to the downside there. We got the 15-minute range coming up here in the next 4 minutes. 4 minutes till the 15-minute range set. Afternoon from sunny Liverpool. Let's go. Why not look at the 15-minute chart? Okay. Looking at the 15-minute chart here now. It all
pre-market session, I want to stay in this zone for potential,
Still making new lows. It should, I mean, dump from here. ES is selling. If we lose that 70 area, looking like a bear flag set up here. Sell through the 70s, move down there to the overnight low at the 830s, maybe? Maybe? What do y'all think? Selling pressure. Everyone said to buy. Why y'all saying buy, buy, buy? Why not sell, sell, sell? We're right here at the bottom of the 15-minute range right now. If we sell through that 70, I think, like I said, that 50, 30 area, 50 and then 30s would be the play there. Right? That would be the play there. There's the breakthrough, the 70s now. We're moving down, the bear flag playing out. Can we get down to the 50s there next? Still just chopping around there. Apple's moving down. Nvidia going to the fucking moon. Nvidia making new all-time highs. What the fuck? All right, we broke the 15-minute range to the downside. Let's get rid of all these fucking lines here on the chart. Someone says 902 is inevitable. Why is it inevitable? I'm confused. I'm inevitable. All right, we were pushing back up here again, 22,900s. It's crazy. I mean, and look at Nvidia right now. This is what I thought the NASDAQ was going to do earlier. Just go straight to the moon. And look at Nvidia. Just go. I'm literally, dude, should I get out of Nvidia at this point? I'm so confused. What do I do here? I've just been long Nvidia for like over a month and it just keeps going higher and higher. What point do I take profit? At what point do I take profit, you know? It's so confusing. It's like you want to be long forever, but then you also are like, it's got to pull back, right? At some point. It's got to pull back at some point, right? Right. Maybe it doesn't. That's a problem also. Maybe it never pulls back. Maybe it just keeps going higher and higher forever. you know. In Q, right back up here. We broke the 15-minute range to the downside. Are the bulls coming back to play? Oh my good lord, look at this rip. Oh my lord, we're back above the VWAP again. Are we? Oh, what is happening, chat? What is happening? Why is it going up? Why is it going up? Dude. What the fuck? Is the NASDAQ on crack right now? Okay, I guess we're going up here, boys. Back above the VWAP here. Looking for like a little micro pullback and then another squeeze to the upside here. Oh, yep, someone's tweeting. Something's happening. Something's definitely happening there. Trying to get filled there at the 40 area. I might move this up a little bit now that we like tapped into that already. I'm long from the 30. See if I get my 10 points here. Oh. Looking for 40s to break. We get to that 40 area, we should maybe go all the way. Go all the way, possibly. It's a cool, cool, cool summer. Now you're gone. 40's got to break, right? It's got to. Right? I'm going to move this up a little bit. 44s now. Now we're gone. This is the move that I wanted earlier, NASDAQ. Why you got to play with me like that, NASDAQ? Why you got to play with me like that? Oh, come on. No way. Literally another fucking a penny underneath my goddamn take profit again. There's a 40 break. Okay, come on. Let's get it filled. Let's get it filled, NASDAQ. Let's get me filled. Let me get filled here, NASDAQ. Get me filled, NASDAQ. Get me filled. OMG. Filled. Tee. Finally. Dude. Are you kidding? That was wild. Wild. All right, ES back up there to the 40s. See if we get another little pullback, another bull flag type setup here, but opening range high, 957s. Just could not get below that 870 area there, and then right back up now, 840s. Too bad you didn't take my 902 signal. I mean, was that a signal? I didn't know you were telling me to buy. I thought you were just saying, oh, the NASDAQ's going to go to the 902s. How many people in the chat told me to buy? How many? Did you guys everybody told me to buy? Damn it. Why did I not read the chat? Why did I not read the chat? Why? Why did I not? Well, you know what? I said to get long at open, and, well, it didn't work. But here we are. We're back to the upside now. Building another little flag here. Are we going to break out here again and make a new push to the opening range high? I'm going to try a long right there. Opening range high long. It's either going to break. I might get a pullback here as well, but trying to aim for that 960 area here now. Motion. Cherry, cherry lady, take it to my ocean. Cherry, cherry lady. And if we start to if we break out through this, I'm gonna add. If we break, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just let it ride. All right, we're trying to push there. Look at that 50 push. 50 push in. All right, I kind of was thinking about maybe I'll trail this, but just need to get through that 50 area, make a new high through the opening range high. Someone said, I'm pretty sure this is a short squeeze. No way. All right, we got back above the EMA, and now we're chopping here. Might have to get another pullback. I've only got one contract, so I can always add into this. Got that VWAP down there at the 920s again. Now I'm just kind of looking for a bull flag to form here, right? We got a little bit of a bull flag type setup. If we can kind of break out through there again through the 40s. Back to the 21, the 9 EMA, that blue line, you got the VWAP down there. 21 EMA, you got the pivot point at the 914s. Someone said this is about to drop. Well, don't say that now. Why are you gonna say that, bro? Don't wish that on me. Don't wish that upon me. My stop is basically like below the VWAP now, below this pivot point there, 915 area. But it's kind of mental stop for now. Might try to add right here. I'm going to add. Look for an opening range breakout here. Nice little push through the 40s again. That bull flag is playing out. We just need the push now. We need momentum to follow through. The ES is right below the VWAP. Let's get this push, baby. $950s. Get through the 950s. Should be right through the 60s next. Boobies. $50s again. Tap in there. Come on. Love in the road. Boobies. Trying to go. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit right here below this. Oh, come on. Take some profit there at the 53s and let one ride above the 60s possibly. All right. This is how we're going to do it. We're putting our stop right there at the 43s. As these candles make new highs, there we go. I'm going to try to push up there 55s. Oh, come on. Damn it. Either way, we're green. We're back in the green. We started out once again today with a red trade. And we're back in the green. So, I think, I want you guys to see, like, it's okay, right? It's okay to have a losing trade, right? You're allowed to have a losing trade. It doesn't mean that if you have one losing trade, the game is over, like the day is over. You know what I mean? Like, it's not over until it's fucking over, boys. You can see this morning, we were down $900 there, right? And then bam, we're back in the green here. It's okay, right? So, I'm using funding ticks. Funding ticks right now is the last chance to get 35% off funding ticks right now. So check them out if you haven't already. I think next Monday is the last day for it to happen. But again, look at that. Bull flag, boys. Come on. This ain't rocket science. Are you impressed? Is anybody impressed anymore? Someone said it was about to go down. What happened to that guy? He blew up his account. Blew up his account, baby. Boys, boys, boys. I'm looking for a good time. All right. Just to recap here, if you're new to the channel, first off, hit that like button. Secondly, hit the subscribe button. We're live every day, 9:15 a.m. Look at this thing. Come on. Still going higher. Look how beautifully that played out, right? We had the push above the VWAP here. Couple things to focus on. VWAP, pivot point. We get right back above there. We build out a bull flag here. The first candle to make a new high. This was a little fake out, but this, after pulling back into the 9 EMA, right? We got that support. That blue line is the 9 EMA. We targeted the opening range high. That's 20 points. Listen. Seriously. I'm being serious with you. One moment of seriousness, chat. One moment, right? I want y'all to think about one thing here. Think about one thing. 20 points a day. That's all you need, right? You don't need to make $1 million a day, right? You don't. This is the 1 minute chart, by the way. Everybody on the internet thinks that they have to get 100 points, get 50, oh, I got to make 200 points a day. You don't. You don't. Trade one contract, get 20 points. Do that every fucking day. And guess what? Guess what happens? You'll start to get payouts, right? With these accounts anyway, with the funding accounts, you can't make $1 million anyway. So you might as well just fucking lock in, make a little bit of money, and be done. That's it. That's it, my friends. So again, everybody gets so caught up in this whole ordeal of oh man, I got to make, all this money. Because trust me, I've done it as well, right? I have done that. I get caught up in that. And whenever I do that, whenever my mind starts thinking about, oh, I need to make all this money, that's always when I end up losing. You don't need to. You don't need to. Don't do it, And so, I don't know. That's my lesson of the day. If it means anything, if you really think I have an idea of what I'm talking about, I'm serious. That's not ICT talk. ICT can go fuck himself. 10 points, 20 points, either way. The point here is simple, right? You don't need to make 100 points a day. You don't. The truth is, wait for your setups, take your money. And also, I want to point out, why did I have a red trade? Why was this a red trade at open? Well, I FOMO'd into it. I was being retarded, right? I didn't follow the plan. What was the plan? The plan's to wait for a fucking flag setup. Show me the best flag of the day, right? Show me the best flag. Get rid of all the indicators. Get rid of all the indicators here. And show me the best flag today. Keep. Here's your flag. Long from the 40s up there to the 66s. 5 minute chart flag. Boys, boys, boys. Boys, boys, boys. Boys, boys, boys. Oh, man. We got the ES now. ES is back above the VWAP right now. Who's red, who's green today? Let's see. We'll do a little poll in the chat. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Wanna feel your body. All right, what we got? We got today, 80% of the chat is green. Look at them. Who's green? How much money y'all making? 20K, Eddie, you're fucking crazy. I want money. Give me my money. I want to see the real profits. 350, 1,300, 3,000, 700, 800, 2K, 500. Those are the real numbers right there. Look at that. Money, 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 money. Live on YouTube, baby. We're doing it. We talked about the whole entire bull flag as it played out. We showed the trade. We lock it in, and we got it done. Let's go, baby. Touch me. Wanna feel your body. All right, NVIDIA pulling back right now. What a weird song to be playing, right? What a weird song to be playing on a trading live stream. Touch me, I want to feel your body. Well, it looks like 81% of the chat is green, and 18% of you are watching other live streamers and lost money. Watch it roll down. Watch it roll. Ole, ole. Watch. Ole, ole. Can you add to a Funding Ticks account? Yes, you can. You can add. You're able to add to trades. And is this going to be another bull flag here? Is the question. Another bull flag set up here. Where we at? Let's put the numbers back on the chart. Just a numbers game, man. All right, we're holding up there at the top of the 15-minute range right now. You know, in theory, if we can hold this level, I think there's good potential that we could fill that gap, or at least kind of get back up into this level. But the ES has not made a new high yet. NASDAQ's kind of sitting here, 5-minute chart, little pullback. 15-minute chart, little pullback. It could go really either way. We could kind of chop around here. Could chop around here, you know. But I think if we get above that 960s again strong, she'd like to go. I wanted the other song. Domino dancing. Watch me dancing. Something's happening here. I'm gonna try one more long. One more long for the money. Oh, I'm gonna take it right there and lock it in. Fresh Cash Friday. Let me get it there at the 71s. Oh. Why? How? Look at this, right back down. Oh God. Good thing I took profit there. See money, take money sometimes, baby. We're right back down to the 955s again. Watch me dancing. I mean, I think people really underestimate, you know what people really underestimate when it comes to me is just how much screen time I have, right? Like, how many times have I, like how many times have I seen these moves happen? Thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of times, like I have literally been trading now for 8 years watching candlesticks. Have I noticed that the market sucked in the last 2 months? I think we're just in a very, very hard spot, right? We're at all-time high. It's the middle of the summer. It's just like there's not enough drivers. We don't have enough drivers, if you really think about it. Like, there's just not that momentum in the market. It's summertime. This is normal, I would say, for summertime. You don't have a lot of numbers coming out. You don't have earnings. You don't have, like, the end-of-year action. If you're looking forward to a good time of year to trade, I would say from like September to December, that's when you really want to get into it, Has the price action ever been good? I mean, last year was pretty fucking good. What? Hey, the funny thing is we got 1,000 more viewers than the other #1 live stream on YouTube. So I guess that means we're the #1 live stream on YouTube. Round of applause, everybody. Big thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. We got to get 1,000 likes here on the stream. We're going to give a giveaway today. And by the way, Funding Ticks, it's your last chance. 35% off. It's ending next Monday. So if you're on the fence, you're thinking about signing up for Funding Ticks, there's never been a better time. 800 likes now. Oh, we're going up, baby. We're going up, chat. We're going up. Everybody in the chat who's talking about never winning, guys, I mean, not everybody can win, There's 5,000 people watching. Still kind of holding up here. I think there is room to the upside. Like we said, that gap fill is there. I personally would not be shorting here, but I might not. I might not be the best trader on the internet, but bulls are still holding up there. Those EMAs were right at the top of that 15-minute range as well. If somebody wins, somebody has to lose. That's the truth. That is the truth. Not everybody can win, you know what I mean? All right, I'm probably going to sign off here sooner than later. It is Friday. I got a big fishing tournament that starts today. And no real reason to give back profits. We already hit our profit target of the day. There's that push up now. NASDAQ going higher like we were looking for. That 23,000 area up there next. She should go here. I mean, not only are the other live streams boring, but let's be honest. Ain't nobody winning like this, chat. Ain't nobody winning like this. Nobody. Oh. Guys, and think about it. I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Not because I have to, but I do it for you. I do it for you guys. I do it for you. Think about it. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock in the fucking morning here in Hawaii. I'm already a millionaire, right? I'm already a millionaire. Like, I could just not do this and just retire. But I'm a fucking greedy bastard and I want to make more money. All right, we got 1,000 likes here on the stream. We got, almost 1,000. Almost 1,000. Let's go. Do I do it because Victoria farts every morning? Yeah, I don't know. Not that. Definitely not that. I bought a new car. Who wants to see my new car? I'll show you my new car. I bought a new car. Another car. I'm pretty much, my investment strategy right now is just buying cars. I know it sounds stupid, but I think it's a good investment. Check this bad boy out. A Bayside Blue GTR from Japan. $180,000. Think it was a good buy or a bad buy? We'll find out in the future. I think it's pretty sick. I think, though, what do you think? Here, I want to do a poll, chat. I want to do a poll. Market's still pushing up here. Bulls are in control. Right-hand drive, yes. White wheels or keep the stock? Or the silver? I think the white wheels would be sick. Over the silver, right? I gotta find one. NASDAQ still pushing up here. Bull flags are paying today. Bull flags are paying. You guys like silver more than the white? Really? I'm gonna show you a picture. I swear, it looks pretty sick with white wheels. I mean, I think the white wheels look pretty sick. NASDAQ still going higher. Look at the, I mean, I don't know. White wheels never look good. I mean, it looks pretty nice. Silver? You guys like the silver? What about gold? What about like this color? The gold wheels. NASDAQ still pushing. We're going for my little circle on the chart there. Circle, circle, dot, dot. Hit the little pivot point just like that. Ruben's getting short. All right, let's go. Market can only go up now, boys. I love you, Ruben. You know I just gotta mess with Ruben. Ruben got it. Ruben's got a plan. I like it. But I want to ask you one question, Ruben. Can I ask you a question, Ruben? Did you take the bull flag out of the opening range, Ruben? Ruben. I mean, what about gold wheels? Huh. Beat it. Bronze. Yeah, bronze wheels. I mean, the bronze looks pretty sick. Silver? You think silver? Just silver, huh? Damn it. I'm trying to like, I haven't even seen the car in person. Maybe it's just the wheels. Maybe I don't like the wheels. Maybe that's what it is. I just don't like these spokey wheels. You know? Like, I don't love these, like, spoke wheels. You know? I don't know. It's the wheels, right? I don't know. NASDAQ still trying to push up here, make new highs. ES is pushing. Look at NVIDIA making new highs. Dude, it's crazy. Chrome wheels? You crazy. Want to put chrome wheels on it? You crazy, dog. You crazy. I don't know about chrome wheels. I mean, as long as NVIDIA keeps making new highs, I don't see how the NASDAQ's not going to make new highs. Just beat it. What was the Paul Walker's car, Paul Walker GTR that just sold? What wheels did it have on it? I mean, those are, I guess. This car, Paul Walker, this is almost the same exact car. So maybe I'll just leave him. It sold for 1.3 million at auction. That's literally my car. Without the carbon hood. I think there's like, those are the same fucking wheels, bro. Are they the same wheels? I think. I might have to just leave it. Fuck. Maybe just leave it. I got the same engine and everything. I think, I'm not lying, but I really do think that that these cars are going to be worth a lot of money in 20 years from now. No one believes me, but I really do think they will be. For a couple reasons, right? Like, they don't make these cars anymore. The parts are getting really fucking expensive. Like, the headlights alone, like these fucking headlights on these cars are $10,000 just for headlights that aren't broken. Like, the parts alone make these cars valuable because people need these parts. So, yeah, older cars. Ruben Garcia is getting short at 23,000. You crazy motherfucker. What changed my opinion on GTRs? You used to hate them. Honestly, it's more about the investment. It's not that I love those cars. It's more of just like, I'm running the numbers. I'm looking at the price of these cars being sold, and I'm like, I think they're better investments. I got the Shelby GT500 as well. But if you're gonna spend $1 million, like I don't think spending $1 million on a brand new Lamborghini is worth it. I would rather buy like 5 GTRs. I'm working on getting my dealer license as well, so that I can start buying and selling cars easier. The car will corrode over 20 years from the salty sea. No, definitely not. Why not real estate? I'm also looking at real estate as well. And look at that. NASDAQ still making new highs. That bull flag from earlier paying. Bull flag from earlier paying. What does any of it matter if the dollar is worthless? Well, because think about it like this. If I pay $180,000 for a car today, and then in 10 years, it's worth $500,000, did I just beat inflation? I think so. I think I did. I don't like houses. I'm never going to buy... I'm never going to buy, what do you call it? Single family homes or any of that. I don't like houses long term. I like commercial real estate. I like property. I like land, but I don't like houses. I like buying farmland. I like buying commercial real estate. Why would a car appreciate in value? Bro, you have no idea what you're talking about. Those GTRs are just they're just skyrocketing in value. All these old cars, they don't make them anymore. They don't build cars anymore. Nobody wants to fucking drive a Tesla. Yeah. The funny thing is, think about it like this. You know why GTRs are famous? Because of Fast and the Furious, right? We all grew up. Every guy who's 30 years old is now growing up and has money, right? And guess what? We grew up watching Fast and the Furious. Those are our cars, right? Like we, as 30-year-old men, 35-year-old men in America, like we love those cars because Fast and the Furious made them famous. It's like we all played Gran Turismo. Like those were cars that we played, video games. So like those cars really just like they have a huge demand. All right, NASDAQ up there to the 23,000s. Ruben is shorting. Let's see if it works out for him. I'm going to probably sign out here. And I think pretty much any old car that has like a following is going to go up in value. Yeah, I don't think you can go wrong. Like honestly, I'm probably going to buy like a Subaru, like an older, one of the Travis Pastrana type Subarus. Maybe buy an Evo, buy a Supra. Yeah, just buy all types of cars that at one point were famous. That's kind of. Any car that was in Fast and the Furious, I think will have value in the future. And like funny to say that, but I think that's kind of the way I look at it. The winners today, we got the winners, winner, chicken dinners. Who do we got? Jonathan Prince, RJ Cameron, Rogers, Gary Turong, Gilby Tabulason, and Akram Rabaji. So there we go. Jonathan Prince, RJ Cameron, Gary, Gilby, and Akram. We'll be back next week for Mega Money Mondays. I got a big fishing tournament coming up this weekend. Pray for me. If you're going to church this weekend, pray for me because I'm going to be out there Friday, Saturday, Sunday trying to get a big old marlin. And by the way, funding ticks. It's 35% off. It's going to no longer be 35% off next week. Monday next week is the final and last day Use the code PW. Check them out. I've been getting payouts. I've been trading with them. They're straight to funded accounts. I think they're the best bang for your buck right now. And there it is. I'll see you guys on the flip side. I love you. It's a great day to make some money. Fresh Cash Friday. We got paid today. We got absolutely fucking paid, boys. Absolutely fucking paid. Paid. 3 accounts making the money. We actually started the day off red, and we just stuck to the plan. We played our strategy. We made money. We walk away. So I love you guys. I'm going to see you next Monday. Peace to the Middle East. I'll see you. I'm going to see you later. See you later.